What is going on, all of you growers and smokers out there? Easy breezy here. We are back with an unboxing video today, ladies and gentlemen. Vivosun had sent me something special. Now, this is the second time I have recorded this video, because I do have the Rona. I do have it, and the first recording of this video, I was not feeling my best, even close. So it turned out very bad. Watching it back, but I'm feeling much better today though. So yeah, maybe I'll make a story about my my good old Rona adventures, and yeah. So with that, guys, let's jump into this video. Now they've sent me a very nice grow light here. Of course, I know what kind it is, but there used to be a little seal right here that I've taken off. So let's go ahead and flip it up if we can. Maybe my mushrooms back there are gonna get in the way of that. Alright. So here we go. Very nice packaging. I do like the packaging in this. Let me turn on another light here. There we go. Just so it's a little bit brighter. So we got a couple accessory packs here, and the main light is right here in the middle. So let's go ahead and take apart our accessory pack here. Now this is going to be the VS 1000, and you can see all the details there. Max volt output is 60 volts. This is a 120 volt light. Well, you can see there actually 100 to 240. So there is that. Full spectrum, this and that. There used to be a instruction manual in here, which I have lost. Okay, so this box right here has our cables in it. And if you've bought in a grow light before, it's just your standard three-prong cable here. I don't really know what it's called exactly. Try to get this out with my knees here. And the rest that's in the box there, I don't know if you can see that or not. It's just the hanger straps and all that. So here is the cord for it, which we're going to throw off to the side. Actually, I do like how this cord is designed, because it kind of has the hook shape here for the female plug-in. And I always kind of like that design there. Also, I like this. This light here will be replacing my 2 grow lights in the mushroom tent. Well, mushroom tent, cannabis tent, it's whatever it is, whatever I need it. So if I need mushrooms, it will be mushroom tent. If I need flowers, it will be my flower tent. Of course, these come with your glasses, so you got nice glasses with them. If I can them out like that, you can see here these glasses. I'll throw them right through the camera here so you can kind of see what they look like through the glasses. Pretty cool. So these will help with eye strain, especially when you're in tents. Things can get pretty bright, so it's always a good idea to have these, and the fact that you get them with the light is pretty cool. You also get a clean kit, your little cleaning cloth, your little hook hangers here. And I'm sorry I forgot my tripod, so I'm kind of just kneeing this right now. Okay. So we'll get these hooks out of the way because I'm not going to be setting this up in my tent right away, but I do want to show you guys the light itself and the light working. So this is a dimmable light here, and you can tell because it's got the settings here that are dimming. So it goes from 25 all the way up 25% incrementally to 100%. And let me show you the base pad here so you can see all the LEDs and stuff like that. You can see how there's a plastic protector on this, which I'm not going to take off until I actually put them in the tent here. You can see we got the LED lights here and our full spectrum lights right here. This will help in fruiting and all that type of stuff. So let's go ahead and plug this bad boy in, huh? Let's see what she looks like. So give me 1 second and I'll plug her right in. Alright, so I've got this all hooked up, and the blue that you're seeing right now is my TV in the background. I'm currently updating Rainbow Six Siege. Me and my brother Smokey Hills have been playing that a lot lately. So just updating it right now. Anyways, let's go ahead and turn this on to 25%. And that is 25%. Kind of shine it against this wall here too, so you guys can see the difference here. And I guess I can show you the difference here with these lights. Oh, my battery is dying. Alright, I'm gonna have to hurry this up. Alright, so there's that for the lights. And let's go up to 50%, 75, and 100. And it's really noticeable. I don't think it's really that noticeable on my camera because I think I got an auto dimming setting on. But you're going to have to take my word for it. Yeah, these lights are very, very bright, and they will have no problems replacing any of my grow lights that I have in the grow tents right now. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll be having more videos coming up in the near future. I just need to kind of get better before that happens. So like I said, I'll have a video later on kind of talking about my experience with the Rona and stuff like that. If you guys would like to stay for story time, good old Uncle Breezy will tell you guys a good old story. Alright guys, so I'll catch you in the next episode. Till next time, keep on growing, keep on smoking, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode. See you later.